Withdraw your token to Bitmart exchange. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, please support me by subscribing to this channel and turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I drop more videos like this, you will be the first to notify. And make sure you like this video and comment what do you think about this video in the comment section. So guys, Cpen community, they drop one update and I'm going to show you that update in this video. So you click on this icon here, this message, you can see this is the update. You click on this update. So guys, this is the update they dropped, that we have extended the deadline for submitting your BSC wallet address to March 30th, which is today, and the submission of wallet address is going to close 23 UTC in Nigerian time. That's 12 o'clock AM. You can change that to your local time, and the Cpen token distribution will begin shortly after the submission close. That's after the submission of your BSC wallet address close. They are going to start distributing the token to your CEX and DEX, that's centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. So guys, here you can see that to qualify, you must have complete these three tasks. The first task is complete KYC. The second task is submitted your BSC wallet address, and the third task is verify Cpen amount. So guys, and here you can see the total token supply is going to be 3.3 billion, and the token mined by users is 2 billion. But that is not the total supply that they are going to distribute to us. If I scroll down here, you can see that exact number will be shared post distribution. Here you can see that exact number will be shared post distribution. That means that that is not the total supply that they are going to distribute to us, because here you can see that total token supply will be here you can see the English are confusing. You can see that will be is not that the total supply is 3.3 billion. The total supply will be 3.3 billion. Then with 2 billion mined by the community, this 2 billion is different. That's 2 plus 3 is 5 billion. That's what they're saying. And the total supply up to now, we have not yet heard about the total supply. So the total supply will be announced post distribution. That is why I say I want to clarify you on their total supply and the tax that you are going to do to stay eligible. So guys, and if you come back here to your dashboard, you are going to click on this icon. I'm going to show you the first tax. You can see that first of all, make sure that your account is verified and you have complete the KYC. You can see that mine here it shows verify, so make sure that yours too shows you verify. And if you come here, click on KYC, you can see that KYC temporary close, but you can see that verification completed. I've completed my KYC. The next one, click on wallet and make sure that you have been your wallet, because after today you are not going to have that opportunity to be your wallet again. So guys, I will advise you to withdraw your token to Bitmart exchange, but remember, I'm not a financial advisor. So guys, you go to your Bitmart exchange. If you have not yet created Bitmart exchange, make sure you create your Bitmart exchange. So guys, once you log into the Bitmart exchange, then you are going to click on deposit. You can see deposit, click on it. Then on your search bar, you are going to search for Cpen, but here you can see that Cpen have already appeared here. So guys, this means that this coin is going to list on this particular exchange. So you click on this Cpen. So guys, once you click on it, you can see this is their deposit address. Do not panic if you copy your BNB wallet address from Bitmart exchange to your Cpen app. Don't panic because the address are same. The address are the same. You can see this Cpen address end with 1D. So I will still go to BNB wallet address and still confirm it. So guys, once you come here, you will still search for BNB. Like I said, do not panic if you copy your BNB wallet address from Bitmart exchange. Do not panic. So you search for the BNB and click on it. Once you come here, you click on this first one, then click on confirm. So guys, here you can see this is the deposit address, and here you can see that the last word through end with 1B. So they are the same. Either you use this BNB wallet address or you use the Cpen wallet address. All are the same. All are the same. So you come here and paste the wallet address. Distribution is going to start.